Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Miss Bliss. If you're new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so excited that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So today's video is truly just a hair view video, a 360 of the progress we have made from where I'm coming from. So for any of you guys that are new, I went from loose, healthy, full, natural hair to a tapered haircut, grew my hair back out, went to locks, took those out, went back to a tapered haircut. Now I am growing my hair out from that taper cut. I do not have really thick strands. My strands are more so medium to thin type strands. But my hair has made such progress from where I have been. You guys, I'm so excited. Thank you for joining me on my journey. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.